Today I'm going to make easy air fryer chicken. Today I coat the chicken in Cheez-Its and cheddar cheese. First I'm going to bread the chicken, so first I have some thin chicken cutlets, then in my next container I have 2 eggs and some milk, and I'm going to mix that up. In my next container I have some crushed up Cheez-Its, and then I'm going to add a half a cup of cheddar cheese, and then I'm going to mix that up. Now it's time to bread the chicken, so first I'm going to put the chicken into the egg mixture, then into the Cheez-It mixture, and make sure you get it coated really well on both sides, and then I'm going to put it on the plate and then repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Next, I'm going to preheat my air fryer. I'm going to click it on bake at 350 for 12 minutes, and then I'm going to click the turn reminder because I'm going to flip the chicken halfway through. Now that the air fryer is preheated, I'm going to add the chicken. Now that the chicken is cooked about halfway through, I'm going to flip over the chicken and let it cook the rest of the way. Here's an up-close look of the finished chicken.